All right, final video here, Northwest Sports Show here. We kind of look at this music going on over there, so I really can't go over there, but we're gonna look at some more stuff here. Hope you enjoyed the series. Can't get them all, but I got some. Got more party bars. We got a $76,000 thing here. I'll do a little preview on the. We'll be out way back when. We'll walk around. But yeah, look at that. Let's go look at these party barges, see what they have to say here, shall we? Yeah, music going on over there. Well, he's playing. Oh, he's singing. So, well, it shouldn't be too bad. But these are more. Yeah, I love how they're different colors. You don't have the same color over and over again. We've been over the plants, things in furniture we bought stuff over before. They're up there in Noka. They're real good. So you have different colors here. I like it. 60 grand. Look at that bad boy, huh? Look at that bad boy. But yeah, I think it was, got a free ticket. Come in here. It was fun. Yeah, so I thought it was kind of cool. Come on in here and hang out. Do some video for people, promote some stuff. I like that one guy, the last video. The Shark Tank guy, that was pretty hilarious. That guy was funny, redneck. Good stuff. But yeah. I like the colors. They actually have good colors in this stuff. You can tell all the docks, all that stuff, 11 grand, and you got to get installed, and in wintertime you got to get pulled up. It's fun to own a boat. I mean, I have a family cabin, but I tell you what, it's a lot of work. I'd rather, again, have a decent RV to pull and go see stuff. And I'm a shore fisher myself. I do a lot at the back of the lake I live on. I do more shore fishing than anything else. I like boat, but I like just getting worms. I met there was two young men I met a couple times at Shady Oak, Lukey Pookie and another kid. They were shore fishing, trying to catch carp with corn. I said, you got to use ham, because all the sons will take it. They were shore fishing. I loved it. They remind me of me when they're fishing. I love seeing that when I see kids that are riding their bikes and they're out there trying to catch fish. I think that's the greatest thing in the world. They're doing that. I think it's cool as hell.
Before the rush starts.
Oh, bad boys. So I think it's great when kids get out and go fishing, instead of playing video games. When I see people in Shady Oak Lake and Calhoun, Lake Minnetonka. I knew a kid I coached, Alex. We became good friends after I coached him, and we would go. I'd go meet him at the Narrows when he'd come over to Shady Oak. We did a lot of fishing together, played a lot of golf for like 3-4 years until I kind of lost touch. But we had in common of hockey, fishing, and golf. His dad would come along. We had a great time. We'd shore fish and catch sunnies left and right. I love catching sunnies. It was nice. It was fun. He was a great kid. Saw him later when he was like 19, and I saw him at the State Fair. He was like 23, 24. We'd go fishing all the time. We used to go to a par 3 over there in Minnetonka. All the time. It was fun. Good kid. $112,000. Goodness. $118,000. Oh, goodness. That bad boy, huh? Very nice. $85,000. My goodness. Well, 61marine.com. Let's go look at some of these things. This is not bad. 25 grand, new model, but price does not include setup tax or registration. So more or less setup means without a trailer. I don't know. But this is a smaller one. Kind of like it. Very simple. That's cool over there. That's nice. Gotta make your boat simple. You want to be able to fish on it. That's what they're for. You take my brother-in-law who's blind, and you can walk around, fish. Does this include the trailer?
No.
Surprised you wouldn't have the price, the separate price. Surprised you wouldn't have the with without trailer. I'm surprised you wouldn't have that.
Why?
Why? I mean, you don't buy a car without an engine, do you?
What's that?
You don't buy a car without an engine, do you? No, my point is that I have. But my point is,
We deliver 9 out of 10 of our boats. So if people want a trailer, we can get
I understand that. But it's just the way I would do it. But you can tell. So this isn't this. This is kind of I call a pig in a poke. That's you got to get a trailer to it. That's fine. But they're nice. But I like the color. That's a nice color right there. That's nice. But I'm sorry, but you got to hit. Look at these seats. Oh my goodness. You know, 9 out of 10, but sometimes might want a trailer. You never know. So there you go. So Ken Herbeck's back again. But, sorry, but you want to have that trailer price. So people don't buy cars without engines. Very rarely. I'm sorry. That's an idiot. His response back is stupid. That's a horrible salesman. That's a very sarcastic way to answer, man. I'm just asking. So with trailers, probably about, I don't know, 40 grand. Because I've seen stuff before, and it says with trailer, boat, and the whole 9 yards ready to go. Not bad, but still, it's you're afraid to fish on these things because you want to get dirty. Warp. Look at that. I don't know the difference in the price on it. Maybe I have no idea. They're nice. Yamaha 4-stroke outboard, custom. So it does not include setup. I get it. This brown color is like puke. 61 Marine Sports. Got a really nice salesman, you guys. Anyways. 93X.
Oh, look at this. 20 years? Thank you.
Yeah. 93X, is he?
Take some free stuff?
Yeah. If we go look at 93X. Go look at 93X, let's do some trolling, shall we? Anyways, so we're gonna end the video here. Now we don't want to go too close. They got the music going on, so we don't want to get over there. We'll go over there and look. So anyways, the Yamahas, the Lunds. So we'll go over here and finish it out. But these are nice. But anyways, guys, these are the nice ones, the boats, the basics, and then you've got your docks. That's a nice big dock. You can walk out in there. It's 6,200. Show special, nice. But wheel that stuff out there. Wheel it out, wheel it back. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had fun walking around, trolling some of the salesmen. And I know that I'm going to St. Martin. We'll probably have the auto show, and we'll go there too as well. So we'll kind of go over here. Look at some of these tractors over here. He's over there playing guitar. All right. Look at all these bad boys. So yeah, the old trackers. There's a small one right here, bass tracker. Small one. It's kind of nice. I like that one. Very nice. So anyways, guys, the party barge up here. We'll look at this sun tracker we had out of here. We'll check it out. He's playing the guitar. That's a nice one. There it is. That's kind of a cool boat. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the adventure. See you on the next adventure.